All right, we're going to check the oil level in this 2015 Land Rover Range Rover. So pretty simply, we're just going to go ahead and not have our foot on the brake, put it into accessory mode, deal with the dinging. Now you're going to have driven the car for a while, let it get to temp, and then you got to let it sit for around 10 minutes or so to let the oil drain back down so it has an accurate oil level check. And then from there, we're going to press the menu button to where it brings up our features. I'm going to go down to vehicle info, enter, oil level, enter, and it's going to give you a status. Engine oil level okay, or it's going to say that the oil level is low, or if you don't wait long enough, it's going to tell you that it can't be displayed. So here's some booklet information. So if it's overfilled, underfilled, not available, then the not available is if you check it cold and it doesn't have a way to get an accurate reading because it's not going to read it cold. So you cannot get to this setting if the vehicle is running. So you got to make sure it's off, but only in the accessory position.